Rashtrapati Bhavan seems to be very shaken with this report, but it's our job to ask. Sohail Seth joining the debate tonight, Subramaniam Swamy, Lord Meghnad Desai. My first question is to Vinod Sharma of the Hindustan Times and senior journalist. Mr. Sharma, it's not about whether she should fly, how many times she should fly. It's about how you should fly. Why should you fly on a 747?
Why fly at all?
Huh?
Why fly at all?
I think
Go by bullock
the
cart.
presidential entourage
One, yeah.
could have been shortened, could have been made more compact. Well, I would not go along with you when you say that what number of trips she should have made. There are diplomatic reasons for that. One can explain them, perhaps the government can explain them. But what cannot be explained, perhaps, is the size of the delegation.
Exactly.
If you calculate by a rough calculation, she spent about 79 days abroad. And if she spent 205 crores, that means it was a little less than 3 crores a day.
Yeah.
And I think that could have been easily pruned to about 1.5 crores.
Yeah.
By, lessening the number of people who would be accompanying her.
Yeah.
I think that the President of India represents the state of India. She is the head of state.
No.
And if she is traveling abroad on bilateral visits, if she has invites and she has to return those visits, she can make those visits, but maybe that she can do so at a lesser cost to the exchequer.
No, why can't she?
I agree on that. I agree on that.
I'm wondering today whether our country, as large and important as it is, will suddenly be seen to be less important if the President of India flies on a smaller plane. I mean, bigger the country, bigger the plane. This logic, defeats me. Queen Margaret of Denmark flies commercial.
Arnab, there has been
Queen Beatrix of the Netherlands flies long haul on KLM.
There's a huge debate. There's a huge debate in this country and also abroad. Say, for instance, in the United Kingdom, there's a huge debate on the amount of money the people of England spend on their monarchy.
No. Okay, let's open up the debate.
But the monarchy remains where it is.
Let's open it
similarly,
up. Let's open it up. British Prime Minister David Cameron. I'll keep giving examples.
Similarly,
he flew in a commercial flight.
Questions asked. Whether you should spend money on the treatment of prime ministers.
One minute. Let's get it. Subramaniam Swamy. I want to. Sohail said. I know Sohail said and Meghnad Desai. I'm coming to you. Subramaniam Swamy. David Cameron, austerity in UK, flies on a commercial plane. Pratibha Patil, farmers' suicides in India, austerity in India, flies on a 747-400 with 100 people, including 5 butlers, 5 cooks and 3 butlers. I can prove it. I have the papers tonight. I think Rashtrapati Bhavan should know. I have the papers. I have the full list. Here you are. Shri M.U. Kasture, executive chef. Shri Dhiraj Mani Bhatt, chief cook. Shri Kailash Chand Sen, butler come personal assistant. Now I'm going to take. Okay, Shri Taufiquddin, butler. Shri Karam Das, butler. I mean, even Richie Rich did not have these many butlers. Lady attendant, and a cook's mate. This is ridiculous. Let's get in Subramanian. What do you think, Mr. Swamy?
What about the pressure cooker?
1 minute, Mr. Swamy.
Well, first of all, as far as this Air India jumbo jet is concerned, that has been the practice of many presidents. So I don't think she should be singled out for that. The second thing is, I feel that the Pratibha Patil as president is a bit of a soft target, if you ask me, because I know myself, having held the law portfolio, that the Supreme Court judges and the president, etc., their trips have to be cleared by the government because the money comes from the consolidated fund of India, and therefore it's accountable. And well, maybe she made these demands, but it is obviously the clearances were there, and therefore I would say that you can talk about the general problem of how a president should behave, but I don't think she has behaved in a way very materially different from, say, how Venkatraman as president behaved or Shankar Dayal Sharma behaved. Maybe Abdul Kalam was a little more circumspect. But generally speaking, I think she is within the framework of the past practice of presidents flying in jumbo jets with a lot of people.
Sir, but the Queen of England, she stopped using Royal Air Force planes. She was told you cannot use these planes anymore. She stopped. And I have a Buckingham Palace. I've been researching on this. I have a Buckingham Palace press release on the subject.
Queen of England, Queen of England, by the way, is a head of a very small country, and they have now no more access to the loot they used to get before.
But we are paying for it.
I don't think we should compare the President of India with her.
Well, we are paying for it. Okay, different perspective. My Meghna Desai, I'm coming to you last. Sohail said, yes, different perspective. Go ahead, Sohail.
I think it is ludicrous.
You asking me?
I mean, I agree with Subramaniam Swamy to say, okay, everyone else in the past has done this, but the government of India didn't make a fetish of austerity as they did now.
Yeah.
I think the world has grown much more mature. You don't need badges of size in order to earn respect and honor. I don't think you need to tell people that India's arrived and therefore our president must travel in a jumbo jet when Montek Singh Ahluwalia and his colleagues declared rupees 28 as the poverty benchmark. The hypocrisy is what is worrying. It is not the practice. I agree, Pratibha Patil may be a soft target. But, you know, the comparison with the Queen of England is also very correct, Arnob, as you've done. The Queen of England has willingly taken trains. You catch our people. And I'll tell you, when the austerity drive happened, cabinet ministers would have their secretaries book themselves in business. They would book themselves in economy. But when they entered the aircraft, the secretary would sit at the back, to quote Shashi Tharoor's Catholic class, and the minister would still sit in front. So don't be hypocritical. I think it is a shame that India's president must travel with 6 butlers, with cooks, with a whole entourage, as if she's reliving the Raj.
It's a joyride.
The Raj went away in 1947.
It's a joyride. It's a joyride. I'm sorry, but
not even a joyride.
If you look at the list of people,
I'm sorry to say, Arnob, the media is an equal accomplice. I know of many journalists who love these trips.
Of course it is.
Who love these trips. They have nothing to report.
Yes,
I mean, what can you say about Pratibha Patil planting a seed for a eucalyptus?
But let me share one thing.
Sohail, would you name a few?
No, 1 second.
Sohail, would you name a few?
No, 1 second.
There are a few regulars on a trip.
Now, I have found some remarkable facts today. I have a question for Rashtrapati Bhavan. I can understand you need the media, you need a photographer. Now, to manage the photographer, you also take a photographic officer. I have never in my life heard.
No, what about the cook?
No, 1 second. Here's the people of this country need to know. Look here. There's a person here, and a person is a photographic officer. What does a photographic officer do on a trip?
He carries the rolls. He carries the rolls.
And we are paying for this.
Meghna Desai. The rolls of film which he will give to Pratibha Patil's son, so that he knows where to put it in the camera.
Meghna Desai, I have great respect for you. Yeah. You know that. But you know, David Cameron, when he didn't even fly first class. He flew business class.
Business class?
He didn't fly first class. Prime Minister of England, yes, of the UK.
I know. Yeah. Let me say, first of all, the hypocrisy in India is that somehow people in public life have to pretend.
Why?
To be simple-minded and khadi and austerity. It's all lies. Hang on. Pratibha Patil has been president when for the first time India has been part of G20. India has been global power only during her regime. And therefore, she travels more than other previous presidents because India is more in demand. And as Subramaniam Swamy said, our Indian president doesn't travel on her own free will. She has to wait for an invitation, get approval from the Minister of External Affairs, get approval from the Prime Minister, and then she can travel. Now, then the question is, should she have cooks or not?
Yeah.
Okay, if she got poisoned abroad and died like Lal Bahadur Shastri died, you'd all be complaining.
No. My question is not that.
No. That's exactly what you would do.
Meghna Desai, tell me one thing. Lord Desai, tell me.
I think it's perfectly justified.
Lord Desai, tell me one thing. Will the people?
Why do you need 6
Will the people? 1 minute. Suppose.
Why do you need 6
Suppose Pratibha Patil. Suppose Pratibha Patil lands
I can't hear. How many people are talking?
One second. I'm talking once. The government of India, on my money, your money, I don't know if you pay taxes in India, all taxpayers' money, they used our money to buy 3 luxury planes. Okay, your money, Sohail. 3 luxury planes, Embraer jets were bought so that these VVIPs could travel. Money was spent in fitting it with anti-missile systems, navigation tools, making it comfortable, etc., etc. Will the stature of India fall if she flies on a slightly smaller plane? I don't.
That's not her decision.
No, it is.
It is not her decision. She
It
doesn't
is.
decide that.
It is.
She
I
doesn't
have on
decide
record.
that. The Prime Minister decides that.
I have
the
on
Prime
record.
Minister decides that.
I
She
have
doesn't
been
decide
told-
how she travels.
I'm not naming the person, but I have been told by a former cabinet secretary that there was a big fight once with a former president. I'm not naming the president. Where the former president said, why should I not be allowed to travel on a bigger plane? If the Prime Minister travels on a plane, I too want to travel on a plane. This is competitive. This is, it's completely competitive.
But what is it that you want? You want the president to go
symbolism.
as an ordinary passenger,
No.
without security,
I'll tell you what I want.
without guarantee offer
Certainly
of
with
safety.
security.
She could be food poisoned.
Rest
She
of our
could
entourage travels in a commercial plane.
I mean, come on.
Why can't the-
why have a president at all?
Yeah,
why
that's
have a
also
president at
it's
all?
a relevant question.
Don't have a president.
It's a relevant-
Don't let her travel. Don't let her travel.
Well,
let her travel in bullock carts.
Well, it's a
bullock
relevant-
carts should be the only thing she should travel. Come on.
no,
what is it?
1 minute.
Would you,
Yeah, one second. Yes, sir.
Are you a serious country or
So
not?
ahead.
would you want the debate to be a little more balanced?
Yeah, yes, one second.
I
One
have-
second. Vinod Sharma coming to you tonight. 1 second. Yes, Sohail, briefly. After that, Vinod Sharma is stepping in. Yeah, Sohail.
I have an issue. Do we want to denominate our stature by the ludicrous and extravagant expenditure that our politicians, not just the president, incurs on travel? Do you know something? Some of these Embraer jets are being used by senior cabinet ministers as well. Pranab Mukherjee, I've been told, uses an Embraer to travel up and down Calcutta to Delhi. So the point is, let's not be hypocritical. I call this the apple juice culture. In Rashtrapati Bhavan, we never serve wine, we serve apple juice. Why? Because we are following Gandhi. We are following Gandhi as far as apple juice is concerned, but in every other way, we've dumped him long ago.
Yeah.
So all I'm saying is, let her travel in ultimate style. Let her be the Kim Jong-un of our times if she wants, in a special train if she wishes. But let's not be hypocritical. Let the government not mock the poor of India, talk about poverty figures at 28 rupees, and have someone, as Vinod Sharma rightly says, spend almost $1 million a day when she travels. A. B. You are an educated, well-versed news anchor. I want to ask you one thing, Arnab. Can you remember one significant bilateral policy decision that Pratibha Patil was involved in the 22 trips she made?
Yeah.
I remember one, when we had to rescue her son, who almost hijacked an Air India aircraft from Mexico to Miami to conduct personal business. That's what I remember.
Well-
If you remember anything significant that she's achieved, why don't you please tell us, and we'll erect a statue of yours.
What I
at Madam
remember is that a record 2.5 lakh farmers have committed suicide in India in the last 13 years since 2011. And Vinod Sharma, what I remember, I want to know whether you can rebut on that, is that the president's home state of Maharashtra tops the list. It has the worst record for the 10th consecutive year. 17,000 farmers committed suicide in the year when Pratibha Patil was flying around the world in a 747-400. I want to know why. Why don't we have a sense of conscience if David Cameron has?
No, first of all,
Very sad.
First of all, I normally don't disagree with my friend Sohail. But today, he's really talking like a socialist. I quite like it, this transformation, I think the poor people of this country are taunted, not as much by the president taking the big plane abroad, but by the big cars that are there on the roads. And I'm told that some of my dear friends who have lately turned socialists have also bought big cars, And these are the cars which are occupying the extra space and consuming the extra subsidized fuel on the roads of Delhi and
No,
elsewhere.
but
No, I think that we are debating this from the wrong end. If you really want this country to be a country which symbolizes austerity, which is willing to cut its expenses,
Why?
then I think that we have to involve all of us and not just the President of India.
No,
and I have heard this before. I remember when Chandrasekhar was to go abroad for treatment, and Dr. Swami, you would bear me out on this. There were big questions about Chandrasekhar being, so much of money being spent on Mr. Chandrasekhar for treatment abroad. What the heck? You see, I would not like the former Prime Minister of this country
Why
to be
does
dying without
austerity?
treatment.
Why
The best
does
of treatment available in the world.
austerity?
I
Why
would
does
like to
austerity?
believe
Why
that
does
though there is disparity in this country,
simple
we have
question.
enough money in
Simple
this
question.
country
If
to,
we have decided,
to protect and project the symbols of
one
our
second,
state.
one second. 209 farmers committed. I will keep throwing these statistics, and I want an answer why. 209 farmers committed suicide in the Vidarbha region of Maharashtra in 2011. 275 died in 2010. Why does austerity
That
not
has
extend
nothing
to the President of
whatsoever
India?
to do-
Why
that
does
has nothing whatsoever
No,
to
I mean,
do with
why does
Pratibha
austerity
Patil?
not extend to the President
if
of
the
India?
farmers are committing suicide,
Why does austerity not extend to the President
we
of
woke
India?
up, Arnab, we woke up. We
There
in
is
the
no
media.
austerity.
Arnab,
Why?
let's do some introspection.
Sure.
We in the media woke up to the suicide of farmers when the figures,
I'm
when
saying-
the shocking figures
let me
were
say-
announced on the floor
Okay,
of the House
fine.
by the Agriculture Minister of
Fine.
the day.
So we woken
Till
up
then
now.
the media did not take note of it
Fine.
because it did not quite interest
No,
the
one minute,
high-end
Arnab.
readers or viewers of our channels or our newspapers. I'm sorry.
One second.
This hypocrisy
One second.
has there has to
One
be a
second.
limit to this
One- this-
hypocrisy.
this- one-
we
one-
must
this-
take care
the
of our leaders,
taxpayer-
but we must do it within our means. I quite agree
When there was
that the delegations could
a-
be smaller.
you
I quite agree
Exactly.
that the money spent could be less.
You
But
can't-
to put a moratorium on what number of trips you would undertake,
No, there's not a-
whoever the president is.
No,
is
no,
not
no,
going
I
to
have
be
a-
fair.
no, no, no,
That's
no,
not
one
fair.
second. The
This is
basic
not-
argument was
this
not
is
the number
the
of
way
trips.
the country is run.
Question is not the number of trips. Question
No,
is how
it's an incorrect argument.
Subramaniam
If-
Swamy.
if-
Subramaniam Swamy. Yeah.
Yeah. You see, if your point is that the president's trips is a indicator of a general malaise, that would be a worthwhile subject to discuss. In fact, I know one person in this government who holds a cabinet rank and has made 84 trips in the last 5 years, and and all on by hiring private jets to leave this country. And there's,
Name
if
the
you ask for
person,
an
sir.
RTI reply, you won't get it. You got it for the president, but you won't get it for that person. So you have to look at it in the overall context. This culture has become like that. And I don't think we should really single out the president for this. We need ourselves to work out a modality of how everybody would function within a certain framework and not
Is
only
it-
single out the president.
No, is it
for
time to trim the presidency or not? Is it time to trim the presidency or not?
No,
That's
one
the
minute.
question
Hold on.
today.
No, I think people have also suggested that we must do away with the Rajya Sabha.
Yes.
Where somebody like
I am
Dr.
asking
Swamy,
about the presidency.
who may not today be able to get elected
I am
directly,
asking,
can
one
find a
second,
place,
Vinod
in
Sharma,
order
Vinod
to
Sharma.
add- to contribute
Vinod Sharma,
to
you're
add value
deflecting.
to the debate.
You speak for
parliamentary
yourself.
debate.
You speak for yourself.
You're deflecting. You're
Being a
deflecting, Vinod
congressman, you are
Sharma.
bound to say I'm not going to.
Vinod Sharma, you're deflecting
No,
the
Arnab,
subject. Question
Arnab,
is today, should
I have
we
a-
trim the presidency?
I have a quarrel.
Yeah.
I have a quarrel to pick with Vinod's logic, and let me just explain it. And this time, I must also, for the first time, disagree with my friend Vinod. The logic is fairly simple. He begrudges people with big cars, and I know that that's also a hint towards me, which is fine. But I pay my taxes under the Indian legal system. I don't fiddle, I don't do deals, I don't earn black money. I'm paying my taxes, I'm a private citizen. In public life, you have to set an example. I'm not therefore saying, and I agree with Subramaniam Swamy, that why single out the president, but the president is the head of state. She is definitely the badge of honor. We respect her, we respect more than her, we respect the office.
No,
When that office takes a step of austerity, it will send out an amazing signal.
why did we buy-
So the people in Rashtrapati Bhavan who are busy penning press statements should actually reflect on what Times Now is doing.
No, I think-
and say that President
according
Patil, in consonance with the Indian will, believes this.
No,
That's
according
simple.
to my information.
What's the point of being squeamish
No,
about
according to my information, we bought four 14-seater Embraer 135s. We have 3 customized 46-seater
It's too small.
Boeing business
It's
jets.
too small, or no?
No.
A 14-seater is too small
Well,
because
if
only
they are
the
too
butlers
small-
and the chefs
if
can
they are too
travel.
small-
What about the gardener?
If
What
they-
about the hairdresser?
Yeah,
You
if
have
they
to
are
be
too small,
specific.
why did we spend
You have to be sympathetic.
No, if they are too small, they cost 140 crores a piece. I don't know. I want to know why the President of India
But
and the
that
Prime
was-
Minister of India and the rest of our VVIP entourage cannot start using those jets. Maybe it will set a right precedent. It's going
Because
to move
it's
as
too
fast.
small.
Question.
Those
Lord
jets are
Meghnad
too
Desai.
small. We're a large
What's
country.
wrong with that? Lord Desai, what's wrong with that? Let's use a smaller plane. Let's move with the times.
Well, I presume that somebody has thought about the fact that when the Prime Minister or the President travels, the staff travels with them. Now, I think you should compare Indian President with presidents of similar countries and find out whether this is more extravagant than other people. Find out whether the previous presidents traveled with more staff or less staff. Find out how much prices have risen since the last president traveled. And don't have this completely non sequitur arguments about farmers committing suicide. Then you can go on about children being malnourished.
Why does that not apply to India, sir? Why should it not apply to India?
Hang on, listen to me. Every MP costs 4 crores of rupees per year.
So,
right? Every MP.
so
Not counting the
Yeah,
cost of Latchan's house,
Yeah, but
opportunity cost of Latchan's house.
but
So we have, in India, we have decided to
In
have
today's day and age-
political system which costs money.
This question
And
goes
it's
to the viewers
hypocrisy
tonight.
Hypocrisy to think that you're going to have everybody in bullock carts.
well, this
You're not going to have people in bullock
I want to know
Arnav,
whether
this
if
is
you.
serious
I have a
rich
simple
country.
question.
Parliamentarians,
My question is.
parliamentarians travel more.
My
the
question is.
delegations of parliamentarians
My-
keep on traveling, crisscrossing the world,
My question
and
is-
one doesn't even know what happens to the reports they
so-
come back
no,
and
that
file,
doesn't justify
or whether
anything.
at all they file any reports.
I
Mr.
want to
Sharma,
ask
I think
a
that you are
truth or
just
dare
picking on the
question on your
president.
No,
show.
no, no.
Really
My
fair.
question is simple. Question goes to the viewers tonight, also to all our panelists.
I want to ask a
Will
truth or
relationship-
dare question
Wait,
on
one
your
second.
show.
Sohail said-
I want to ask Vinod Sharma if he has ever traveled with the president or the prime minister.
No, with the Prime Minister performs great, many more functions. The question.
Only once.
No.
With the president, only
but I
once
want to
with the
ask Vinod, has
president,
he ever
Shankar
travelled
Dayal
with the President of
Sharma, and
India?
with Prime Minister maybe about 3,
Anyway,
4 or
this
5
question
times.
is not about how many
and
times
that too,
Vinod Sharma
as
has
a
gone.
working journalist. I got transported from one room to another, and I worked my way through and came back.
Question-
Didn't go any sightseeing. Didn't go any sightseeing.
Question is tonight, can the Rashtrapati Bhavan please tell
But
us
this is my
that
point.
if they carry 99 people along with the president, how a trip to Spain will become more successful if there are 99 people on board? And if you travel by a 747
Because 99 people
if you
will
take
spread
20
out
people,
in Barcelona.
if you take 20
Because
people and fly
99
on
people will spread out in Madrid and spread the India story.
That's
you
the
have
whole-
to understand.
that's-
Arnav,
that's
there's a
the irony of
strategy.
the situation.
99 people will filter through Spain and tell the world that India is a great story.
And by
That's
the way,
how it happens.
By the way,
If they had a bigger plane, they would have taken 300 people, including 3 cameramen from Times Now, to be photographic officers.
to be fair, as you know, and since you brought Times Now in, since everyone likes to bring Times Now, and Times Now has never been on a presidential trip, you can
You've
put an
never
RTI
been on a
record on that.
junket.
The question is, no, because the day it becomes newsworthy, maybe it will be different. Right now it isn't. Now the question is this. Question was put by Vinod Sharma. He was checking general knowledge. I think the question is, in Poland, when they went to Poland with 99 people or 95 people on board, 2 agreements in the fields of medicine and tourism were signed. And in Spain, we said that we are keen to get food processing technology.
We signed an agreement on tourism with Poland.
Yes, and we sought Spanish assistance in building wind power in India. This is as far as Spain and Poland were concerned. Now we need to assess. We need to assess whether you need to fly with 99 people on a 747-400 to achieve that. Subramaniam Swamy, does that add any credence to the question being put tonight?
Well, I think in our country we have this problem. When we have weddings, we have all kinds of people turning up, and you have to look after them. This is a bad habit we have culturally. I think it's time we get to a place where we learn to trim. This requires a cultural change.
Yeah.
I don't think by singling out the president.
But this debate is very
And
interesting.
also, there should be a ban on weddings that are spread over 7 or 8 or 10 days.
Sure.
And you know how that and how ostentatious those weddings are.
Sure.
My friend Sohail Seth can tell you
Question
because
to the
he's
question to
attended
viewers
quite a
tonight.
few of them. You know.
I'll tell you one thing.
Question to
you know,
viewers
very
tonight. The
well.
debate
But
ends
Vinod, I
here.
want to
Last
say
30
this today
seconds
on
of the
Arnav's
debate.
show.
The question to
I
viewers
never
tonight
attend
is.
weddings. I only attend funerals.
The question to viewers tonight is: Should
I never attend
the should the Rashtrapati Bhavan go through a trimming exercise or not? Is there something terribly wrong in asking the President of India to buy in a luxury jet that we financed and not go on a 747-400 with 100 people? That's the question tonight. Like to hear from you and like to.
No, no. In that case, why not have him? Why not have the president live in a smaller house?
No.
Why this big Rashtrapati Bhavan?
Well, it's all
Mahatma Gandhi wanted it to be
It's
made
a
into a
legitimate
hospital.
question.
Yeah.
It's
Why
a
not give Teen Murti House, requisition Teen Murti House and make it Rashtrapati Bhavan?
It's a
And
legitimate.
I think that all these
Actually,
MPs and
side by
ministers
side,
should
or
move
no,
into high-rise
or no.
buildings, sing
I think
about,
your show
this
is- The
question is
studio
tonight,
apartments, I think.
this is
Then
India.
You bring so much of, pride
I think
and
the
honor
President
to
of
India.
India should
And
be India's number
also, like,
five
I can be
race
accused of being
course
ostentatious
and
enough
live next to
that
the
I
Prime
watch
Minister.
Times Now every night, while 80% of the country, there is no electricity, they can't watch any television
I'm
channel.
glad you watched Times
I
Now.
think there's a limit to which
The
we
question
can
tonight
state an
is,
argument,
Vinod
Because
Sharma,
he's on it
question
all the
tonight
time.
is, should the presidency be trimmed? I'd like to hear from you on that. Thank you very much for joining me on this edition of the News Hour tonight. Where do we start austerity? Where do we end it? Like to hear a detailed response from Rashtrapati Bhavan to that one. Thank you for watching the News Hour tonight. Back with a big story tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.